Meet PILLO, the world's first intelligent home robot designed to keep you healthy. He's the perfect healthcare companion, keeping you and your medications on track. And he's totally connected for true peace of mind. He's a workout partner, your very own health coach, an at-home doctor's.
Better health begins with 2 words. Okay, PILLO. PILLO is so much more than just a medication dispenser. Its reminders are proactive and built around you. Facial recognition keeps dispensing secure. It even knows the nutritional value of your favorite snacks. And with its notifications and video calling features, you're never far from those you love.
Tired of bad audio on your smartphone videos? Weak lighting and boring shots? So are we. Introducing the SmartCine, an all-in-one video rig that gives you the accessories you need to turn your smartphone into a mini studio. The SmartCine lets you attach high-grade lenses that make your smartphone into a cinema-worthy camera. Includes both fisheye and wide-angle lenses, so you can capture the whole scene. Forget distant muddled sound. Get high-quality audio with the SmartCine's professional stereo microphone. The SmartCine plugs into any smartphone. The built-in attenuator switch and high-pass filter ensure a great recording no matter where you are. Brighten up your night scenes with the LED ring light. Recharge while on the go or at home with the mini USB charging port. The SmartCine is the ultimate grip-and-go solution, expanding and adjusting to accommodate any smartphone in a secure locking grip. Expand your horizons with the SmartCine. ROOME is a smart lamp that turns on and off by detecting your motion. And it also accepts control by hand gesture. ROOME works automatically from the moment you plug it in. It learns about you and improves over time. ROOME turns on automatically when detecting people entering the room, and turns off when it doesn't detect motion in the room. You'll never forget to turn the light off after you've read and fell asleep, because ROOME will automatically turn itself off when it detects you are asleep. If you need to get up in the night, you don't need to fumble the switcher in the dark again, as ROOME will know you are up and turn the light on for you immediately. What also makes ROOME a truly smart lamp is its hand gesture control feature. It can be activated by a gesture swipe control, and also allows you to select how much light you need through hand gesture. Simply move your hand vertically towards the light to dim it, and moving it away will brighten it. If you wave horizontally, you can turn it on or off completely. ROOME was also designed to protect your eyesight, and that's why it has no flickering LED, and supply just the right amount of light at the right intensity. Oh, one more thing. We know that most of us keep our smartphones near while asleep. ROOME gets one more feature for you. It has 2 USB charger ports at the bottom, so that your phone can be charged as you get a good night's sleep. To manage all ROOME lights in a centralized place, you can download ROOME app and control all your ROOME lights with it. ROOME is designed to be a great companion for your life.
It's time to move from 2D to 3D. Introducing BEVEL. The BEVEL is the first 3D attachment of its kind. With eye-safe lasers, it turns your ordinary 2D camera into an amazing 3D tool that lets you express yourself in a completely new dimension. Elegantly designed and universally compatible, BEVEL works with both Android and iOS and simply attaches to any tablet or smartphone through the headphone jack. Just pan the person, place or thing that you want to photograph. Capture them in 3D and share your 3D photos the same way you would share your ordinary 2D photos. That's right, our apps let you share your 3D content on your social networks just like regular photos. We can't believe that 3D photography isn't already an everyday thing. The fact is, the technology already exists. It's just no one's taken the time to make it into a tool that everyone can actually use. We think it's time to change all that, but we need your help. Join us in the next revolution of photography, and you'll receive the BEVEL, a charging cable, a calibration card, the app that lets you use the BEVEL to capture amazing 3D photos, and free access to caching, an exclusive online platform and mobile app suite that powers your 3D content and lets you share it online anywhere you want. And the best part is, the BEVEL can be yours for just $49. Let's finally put the power of 3D photography into your hands. Express yourself in a whole new dimension with BEVEL.
Thanks for watching my video. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.